Human skin is exposed to various issues such as dryness, irritation, and premature aging due to chemicals in commercial soaps. Many skincare products on the market contain synthetic ingredients that may cause long-term and adverse effects. While natural soaps are available, their high costs often limit accessibility. Therefore, there is a need to develop an affordable, skin-friendly, and eco-friendly soap like Moriglow Yogurt Soaps, which harnesses the benefit of moringa leaf extracts and yogurt to provide natural skincare solutions. Eczema patient needs a soap that won't irritate their sensitive skin. Most soaps in the market contain harsh chemicals, while natural options are so expensive. Moriglow Yogurt Soap is an affordable solution made with moringa leaf extract and yogurt to moisturize, soothe, and heal eczema-prone skin. Aim for Moriglow Yogurt Soap. Moriglow Yogurt Soap combines the benefits of moringa leaves and yogurt to nourish and hydrate the skin. It targets common skin problems like dryness, oiliness, and acne, providing a natural and gentle solution for healthier skin. Objective for Moriglow Yogurt Soap: 1. To develop a natural soap using moringa leaf extract and yogurt that is gentle on sensitive and eczema-prone skin. 2. To provide an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to chemical-based soaps that moisturize, soothes irritation, and promote skin healing naturally. Benefits of moringa leaves and yogurt for skin. Moringa leaf rich in antioxidants that free radicals and prevent premature aging. Contain vitamin A, C, and E, which nourish and rejuvenate the skin, promote skin healing, and reduce scars of blemishes. Benefits of yogurt: provides natural hydration, leaving the skin soft and moisturized. Balances the skin's pH, reducing acne and blemishes. Has antibacterials and soothing properties, making it suitable for sensitive or irritated skin. The ingredients are 200 ml of palm oil, 65 grams of sodium hydroxide, 150 ml of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of moringa leaf powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 50 ml of glycerin, lavender oil, lime leaf, beaker, and thermometer. Firstly, add 200 grams of melting salt base into the beaker. Put moringa extract in the plain yogurt. We use about 4 tablespoons of yogurt and stir well. Add the yogurt mixture into the melted soap base and continue stirring. We can add some lime leaves and a few drops of essential oil for the aroma. After that, pour the soap into the mold and let it harden in about 8 hours.